Alrighty, so you probably clicked on this video because you wanted to learn Python or something, and every other tutorial was too complex or too stupid and wouldn't get straight to the point. So, first, what we're going to be learning, I assume you already know Python, is printing. Alright, let's do this. So, if you don't know, printing is very simple. So, first off, let's learn about the terminal here. As you can see, there's nothing in it. When we run it, we get this. This runs the code, and like anything can happen. This is basically where all the code happens and stuff. And if you print something, it goes straight to the terminal. Okay? So next up, you're gonna learn printing. So in order to print, it's actually really simple. There's already a built-in command called print. And then you want to put a string and then type in really anything. Like, let's say hello world. Okay? Like that. And now if we run it, it will print hello world. Pretty cool. But you can do more than just a string. If we type print again, look, in order to activate a string, you have to do this. And you can type anything, like literally anything. But if you want like more specific stuff, like let's say 98 plus 56, and we print it, we get 154, which I believe is correct. The next thing we have is booleans, like true, which if we run, we get true, and false, which basically prints false. So we already have like built-in stuff. And there's a lot of built-in stuff. But here's the thing. Like let's put 9 here and then print 9 again. Now if we run it, it's going to print on 2 separate lines. And we can use that to our advantage. Another thing you can do, print. We need a string for this. Then we can just basically say like, I'm gonna make an H out of H. H space H. Then see, it doesn't work. So we have to do it like this. Let me set it to 1 space. Then print, let's say HHH. Then we print H H. And then this should print an H made out of H's. Like that. So now you basically learned it. So what I want you to do is like make like a little image using print. Like make an image or like really anything and just send me the code. Alright? Wait, why the hell am I doing? Oh, oh yeah, and this is for Visual Studio Code. You want to first create your file, right? Basically, let's do anything. I'll do printing py. You can put whatever name you want, but there are certain characters that won't fit. And then at the end, you want .py. That's really important. And now you have this. Ignore all my other codes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, ignore all my other codes. So, yeah, basically just print whatever you want. And send it to me in the comments. Right? Let me just make an I out of eight. I'll make an H out of eyes and an eight out of eyes. Like this. Just watch. Print like that. And then our third print line. Of course, you can have as many as you want. Like, it doesn't matter how long the string, it can still be printed. Okay, so, like that. Oh yeah, make sure print is not capitalized, or else it won't work. And now we have hi. Cool, right? Now, give me your code in the comments, and goodbye.